Do you know what glycemic index is? It is the measure of how fast the sugar spikes after consuming any food. So this glycemic index is graded between 0 to 100. 0 to 55 is the low glycemic index food, which doesn't spike the sugars very fast. 56 to 69 would be moderate glycemic index, and 70 to 100 will be a high glycemic index food which rises sugars very fast. So to enjoy still your favorite foods within the range of high glycemic and moderate glycemic food, you need to be very mindful about the portion size rather than skipping it, but try to add good amount of protein and fiber in that meal to make it balanced, so that mixed meal every time will not have high glycemic index. Thank you. To know more about this, stay tuned with us. I am Uma Jai Simha, dietitian at Empowering You.